Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest questions out there. What's the cheapest way to get the latest iPhone every year? In this video, we'll break down 4 options and see which plan is best if you want to keep up with Apple's latest releases. We'll also look at a couple of surprise choices that might just blow the others out of the water. If you're all about staying up to date without breaking the bank, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our tech-saving tips. Alright, let's start with the first option, doing a trade-in through a carrier. With certain plans like those from Boost Mobile, T-Mobile, and a TAN-DT, you can get a free yearly upgrade, no trade-in required up front. For example, Boost Mobile offers its Infinite Access for iPhone plan, which provides a $1,000 discount on your new iPhone each year. T-Mobile's Go 5G Next plan has a similar setup, but on a 24-month finance cycle, meaning the costs stack up differently. For a TAN-DT, the next up. Anytime add-on gives you an upgrade every 12 months after just one device payment. If you're going the traditional route, Boost Mobile comes in cheapest, followed by a TAN-DT, then T-Mobile. So already we see significant price differences between the carriers' upgrade programs. Let's get a bit deeper. For those who want a yearly upgrade but prefer to buy out their phone each year, Verizon's Unlimited Ultimate plan offers a $1,000 trade-in discount. However, you'll need to buy out your device after 12 months, costing around $2,287 yearly. It turns out that most of these buyout plans are more costly than plans with a free yearly upgrade, often by hundreds of dollars. Now what if you trade in through Apple? If you're with T-Mobile or Verizon, going through Apple gives you dual benefits: instant trade-in credit plus ongoing monthly discounts. This setup could save you $100 to $400 yearly, compared to trading in directly with Verizon, though still slightly pricier than Boost Mobile's plan. But don't go anywhere. Here's where it gets interesting. The final 2 options are even cheaper. First, Apple's iPhone upgrade program spreads the cost of your iPhone and AppleCare Plus over 24 months, making you eligible for upgrades every 12 months. Using Boost's unlimited plan, for example, would bring this option to just $1,249 per year. However, you might still find that Boost Mobile's Infinite Access for iPhone plan is the better deal, giving similar flexibility with a lower price tag and without any need for AppleCare Plus. Finally, our top option for budget-conscious upgraders, buying your iPhone unlocked from Apple and reselling the old one yourself. Using platforms like Swappa for resale, combined with prepaid plans from Visible or US Mobile starting at just $25 per month, you're looking at yearly costs as low as $699. Swappa even offers more for your trade-in compared to Apple, making it worth the extra effort. The best value prepaid plans, like Visible, cost between $25 and $45 monthly, allowing for excellent data and perks while maximizing your savings on yearly upgrades. To recap, the best overall budget option is buying unlocked and selling through Swappa with a prepaid plan. Boost Mobile is our top easy upgrade option for those wanting minimal hassle with their trade-ins. For flexibility, Apple's trade-in program paired with your choice of prepaid plans like Visible is a solid middle ground. So there you have it. Options tailored for every budget and convenience level. And if you're thinking about adding multiple lines or comparing carrier coverage, make sure to check out our linked spreadsheet and coverage map tool in the description below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you found this helpful, give us a like, and share with anyone else who wants a new iPhone each year without overspending.